Welcome to the JJs Declutter Podcast. We are your go-to source for speed decluttering, home organization tips, and simple decluttering hacks that help you create a free living space. I'm your host, your co-host, Julie Weisgerber, and today we're diving into a special spring cleaning edition. We're using our very own Fastpitch method. And so we're going to declutter fast and efficiently during spring cleaning.
Hi everyone, I'm Janice Kosmala, and I'm thrilled to share how the Fastpitch Decluttering Game can transform your spring cleaning routine. Whether you're a decluttering beginner, someone with ADHD who needs quick focused bursts, or just looking for simple ways to organize your home fast, this episode is for you.
Absolutely. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your space. And the Fastpitch method is all about making speedy, confident decisions. So imagine treating your spring cleaning like a baseball game. Every minute counts and you're in control. In our Fastpitch decluttering game, you tackle your clutter in short, timed bursts. So you're making decisions in as little as 2 to 3 seconds per item. Not only does this speed up the process, but it also makes it fun and an engaging challenge.
Absolutely, Julie. The idea is simple. Set a timer, ideally for 1 minute, and pick a small area to clear, like a kitchen drawer, a closet shelf, or even a section of your living room. In that 1 minute, you decide whether to keep, toss, or donate each item. The key here is to declutter fast. This approach helps build momentum and reduces the overwhelm that many of us face when thinking about a full spring cleaning.
Yep. One of the biggest challenges during spring cleaning is decision fatigue. And it's easy to get stuck in endless debates with yourself. Do I really need this? Or when was the last time I used that? With Fastpitch, you bypass that hesitation by making rapid decisions. It's a great strategy for those who need quick decluttering tips, especially if you're prone to overthinking or if you have ADHD.
Exactly. By turning decluttering into a game, you're not only reducing emotional clutter, but also sharpening your decision making skills. Over time, you'll find that you're able to declutter your home fast, and your space will feel more organized, inviting, and truly clutter free. Plus, this method is perfect for anyone who wants to practice simple decluttering hacks.
You betcha. Let's break down the steps. First, choose a small area to target, like a kitchen drawer or a shelf in your bedroom. Clear everything out so you can see all your items at once. And that's why we're picking a small area, because you're going to take everything out of it. Then set your timer for 1 minute, and you can use your smartphone, your Fitbit, Alexa and Siri and all those guys. Any timer you prefer. You can even use a regular kitchen timer. Why, yes, you can. Anyway, so in that 1 minute, your goal is to make a yes or no decision on each item. So you're moving them into one of 4 categories. Safe are safe. Those are items that you definitely want to keep. If they're out, then those items need to be stored somewhere else. Pitch, those are things that you're going to toss. So you're going to toss them out. And out of the park, that is items that are in good enough shape that you can donate them.
And here's a pro tip. For every item, aim to make a decision every 2 or 3 seconds. This rapid fire decision making not only helps speed up your decluttering process, but also makes it a fun, competitive challenge. Once the timer goes off, step back and see how many items you managed to process. You can even track your progress with our Fastpitch scorecard, which calculates your batting average. Essentially, the percentage of items you're letting go of versus what you're keeping.
Gotcha. Let's talk about some real life scenarios. So imagine you're tackling your living room and it's during your spring cleaning. You have a coffee table that is cluttered with magazines and remote controls and random knickknacks. And instead of getting overwhelmed by the mess, set your timer for 1 minute and start applying the fast pitch method. So quickly sort through the items, decide which magazines to recycle, which remote controls belong in a drawer. We actually have a little dish that we keep all of ours in. And so you want to figure that out. Which knickknacks are just taking up space. And within a minute, you have made significant progress and you are one step closer to a decluttered and organized home.
Or take your closet, for example. During spring cleaning, your closet might be overflowing with clothes that haven't seen the light of day in months. Use the fast pitch method to quickly assess each garment. Ask yourself, do I want this or not? If the answer is not, it might be time to donate or toss it out. This fast, decisive method means you're not lingering on each piece. Ideal for a swift spring cleaning session.
One of the things that I love about the fast pitch method is its flexibility. Not everyone works best with a strict 1 minute timer. If you have physical limitations or simply need a bit more time, feel free to adjust your timer. Make it 90 seconds or go up to 2 minutes. The core idea remains the same. You are going to be making quick, confident decisions so that you can declutter fast and efficiently.
And this method is especially great for those with ADHD or someone who struggles with prolonged focus. Short, intense bursts of decluttering are much easier on your brain, and you're less likely to get distracted. By using these quick decluttering tips during your spring cleaning, you'll build momentum and find that your home becomes increasingly organized over time.
Let's address some common challenges. Many people feel overwhelmed by the thought of spring cleaning because of the emotional attachment that they have for items. It's important to remember that decluttering is not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about creating a home that serves you. And with Fast Pitch, you shift your mindset from I'm losing something to I'm gaining space and freedom.
Right. And sometimes you may hesitate on items that carry sentimental value. In those cases, use the fast pitch method to quickly decide if the item truly adds value to your life or if it's just taking up space. Remember, keeping a few cherished items is enough to honor memories without cluttering your space. It's all about balance and creating a clutter-free living environment that supports your lifestyle. But if you find that these sentimental items, you can't make that decision, that's fine. Put it in a sentimental box and revisit it later.
Good idea. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your spring cleaning results with Fastpitch. So set clear goals for each session. Whether you're clearing a simple drawer or an entire room, have a clear target. Having a clear target is going to help you stay focused. Play some energizing music to boost your mood and your pace. Invite a friend or family member to join you. It can turn into a decluttering fun challenge. And it's collaborative, so that's always fun too. Use the Fast Pitch scorecard to track your progress and celebrate small wins. That's really important. And finally, don't be afraid to adjust the rules. If 1 minute feels too rushed, extend it slightly, but always keep the momentum going.
Great tips, Julie. Remember, every small step you take during spring cleaning adds up. The fast pitch method is not about perfection, it's about making progress and enjoying the process of transforming your space.
Mm-hmm. Now, let's dive into some questions that we have received on using Fast Pitch for spring cleaning. One listener asked, okay, how do I deal with items I'm emotionally attached to? Which is a great question. My advice is to briefly acknowledge the sentimental value of the item, take a quick photo, and if it helps preserve the memory, then decide if keeping the physical object is actually necessary. Often the memory is enough and you can let go of the physical clutter.
Another listener asked, can the fast pitch method really work for my entire home? The answer is a resounding yes. Start small, one drawer, one closet, one room at a time, and so soon you'll notice significant changes. The key is consistency. Use these quick decluttering tips daily or weekly during your spring cleaning period, and you'll transform your living space before you know it.
Yes, you will. So we've also received success stories from listeners who have used Fastpitch. One of our community members said, I cleared out my entire garage in 2 days using 1 minute bursts. It was like playing a game, and I never felt overwhelmed. Stories like these remind us that with a bit of creativity and commitment, anyone can declutter their home quickly. So before we wrap up today's episode on using Fastpitch for spring cleaning, I want to remind you to check out our speed decluttering book, and it's available on Amazon. Join our upcoming speed decluttering workshop at the end of February. And these resources are packed with even more decluttering strategies, including the Fastpitch Decluttering Game, step-by-step instructions, and the handy scorecard to track your progress.
If you enjoyed today's episode and found these quick decluttering tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to the JJs Declutter Podcast and leave us a review. Share your spring cleaning success stories on social media using hashtags like speed decluttering, declutter fast, and Fastpitch Game. We love hearing from our community.
That's right. And whether you're a decluttering beginner or a seasoned pro, the Fastpitch method offers a fresh, fun, and effective way to organize your home. So this spring, challenge yourself to set a timer, clear one area at a time, and watch how quickly your space transforms into a clutter-free haven.
Thank you for joining us today on the JJ's Declutter Podcast. Remember, spring cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you have the right tools and mindset. With the Fastpitch method, you can declutter quickly, reclaim your space, and enjoy a simpler, more organized life.
So true. So until next time, you guys, keep it simple, keep it intentional, and most importantly, keep decluttering. Happy spring cleaning, everyone.
Bye.